tabi oh.
Guys.
You don't like that one? You want to eat?
Ready.
The salt is not putting. That's right.
Don't wipe that is not cold. Oh yeah.
What's up for wiping mouth?
Vegan Coke salad. Vegan Coke salad. Very nice. Eat first, eat first. Good po.
Tacos guys with chicken.
Just want to ensure everything is perfect. So
Yeah, very
Yeah.
good, very good.
Where you want to order?
Yeah.
Tacos with ito laging ko. Okay.
What is that? What's that?
The tacos only. The tacos, a plate of tacos with some avocado and some soy sauce on top. What do you call that?
avocado.
Yeah, the tacos. Yeah, a plate of tacos. Not this one. This is not the one.
We have some like this one. We have steak tacos. We have then fish tacos. But all this size only, ma'am.
No, I mean a plate of tacos only. Are you serving a
Yes, only
tacos?
avocado.
Yeah, with avocados
Yes,
and
we do have that.
yeah. How much that one?
It's 40 for something, ma'am.
Good for
Only
you don't
4
have.
pieces.
Hmm. I don't know what's the.
Because all our tacos are like 4 pieces.
All the same naman.
You don't have
Only this much.
a plate only.
No.
We have had
We
before.
already have that, but now it's, the menu is being changed.
Ah, so that two
Only
no
now
more.
4 pieces.
No more corn.
Cross cutting, cross cutting.
Yeah, the one that we ordered before, a plate of tacos with some soy sauce on top. Not anymore. It's not available anymore. It's only like this.
Because all of our tacos are like same stand, and it's 4 pieces only. And for the skillilicious is 3 pieces.
It's crunchy, huh? Unlike this one. It's
Yes.
crunchy. So you're not serving that one anymore?
We do serve the avocado tacos you are talking about. They're the only 4 pieces.
4 pieces.
Not big anymore, not like before.
The bigger
It's
one.
like this, right?
Tastes like chips.
Cross cutting.
Because it's a plate, no? It's like this.
Now,
Full of tacos and then some soy sauce on top. Yeah, like avocado, some ketchup, like that. Yeah. And you can just
lettuce
dip.
wrap, with the lettuce wrap you are talking? Like we have a Thai lettuce wrap.
I'm not sure.
That is also with the sauces, ma'am, like the spicy peanut, cashew sauce. And it comes with the chicken also, and if you we can change that to avocado also.
And that's what they are looking.
The wrap. You want to see the photo, ma'am?
Yeah, please. Gusto na daw. Ang sarap to siya. Pamang kunukuan din. Sabot din siya.
how's the food?
Good po.
Enjoy!
Thank you. Enjoy your food. Remove your cup while you are eating.
You like? You don't like this chicken? Huh? You don't like?
Ano siya ito? Tawagan ng MC.
Why? What? What? Spicy? Huh? Give both of it.
Pangpangit mong gano'n. It's been changed.
Kuya, not Bernard. Kuya.
This is the one. Okay.
No, not that one.
You don't have now.
No. They don't have those. It's only tacos.
Only
It's,
tacos.
Yeah. But you remember, yeah, that
Yes,
the
ma'am, I
one
know,
that
yeah.
I'm talking?
But we changed the menu, ma'am.
Oh, you changed. That one is sellable, yeah?
Because every 6 months, some items delete and some items will add, ma'am.
Ah.
This I showed you the Cajun salmon. This is for the new menu. Like from the 29th, we have the new menu.
Ah.
And we deleted some items also.
Because that one is crunchy, no? That's why they like crunchy with some sauce. That's why they like it. It's okay. They don't have any more for me. Thank you.
I want a dessert. I want dessert. I want a dessert.
Hmm?
Dessert.
What dessert? Hindi ka purek ko oil. You have ice cream at home, ah. Eat your ice cream at home.
So far. I don't have the ice. I don't have the cup. It's crunchy.
With oil? Why do you need? Wala na itong ilang tacos, guys. Yung tacos ra siya. Naidaghang sauce sa babaw. Wala na. Magipangita ni Kuya. You finish that one and then strawberry that like that?
Kuya, and then you're wiping in your t-shirt.
Kuya, where is your tela? Huh? Use it.
What's that?
Beans.
The salt's not getting out. There's a
You need that book for what, madam?